Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings, and a bit of a Throwback Thursday one here, a real retro project. I'm back just to help the client with a few bits that we completed 13 years ago. So not entirely sure where all those years have gone, but say around 12, 13 years ago, we reached out with this client. He's contacted us recently. The fascias are starting to have some issues and the felt is starting to deteriorate to the point of needing renewing. I'm in the area before I pop in. A couple of things I just wanted to share a building with you that is in excellent condition. Look, it's 13 years old. Obviously very old school in its design, but the wood is solid, the windows and double glazing still all absolutely perfect. This client almost become a show centre of ours, where he had actually this rook here, one in the corner, all done within about a 6-month period. We even helped him with this arbour work, which is now got loads of wisteria over it, absolutely beautiful. There'll be actually a case study of this from around that time. But yeah, wanted to show you a couple of things stand out. One is a good, well-made building will last and stand the test of time. Yes, the faces need replacing, which are a replaceable part. Yes, the refelt need to be done. Obviously, all that gets round. All those issues have got round now with the products that we're using. But the other thing is, this is a reflection of Bakers, how far we've come in our look and our feel in the last, say 12, let's say 12 years since now. I mean, we haven't done a building like this for ages and we're unrecognisable as a company compared to these buildings. But the clients loving them. They were of their time, but worked really well. Great space in here. The client's still using it. He tells me daily. He's retired. Grandkids come down here, and they just absolutely love using this space. What has now become almost a completely, it's a lovely area actually. Look at it in here. Mirrors up and all of the little bits of outdoor furniture here. I just love the feeling of this, and yeah, just wanted to share it with you really. Say we've come a long way since this in our technology and our products, but our core values of a well-constructed panel, I mean, them doors, windows, everything is still absolutely spot on. The door lines you can see here, the door across there is still absolutely bang on every single building. That means there's no movement because of the construction methods that we use. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. Hope it's of interest. Bit of a throwback there for you for Baker's, what was then Baker's timber buildings all them years ago, now Baker's garden buildings. So we've evolved our products so far.